We have the bees which get nectar to the cell. Nectar which is brought to the cell is not honey. It has to be mixed with the enzymes of the body when the bee consumes it. Mixed with the enzymes, it's deposited in the cell of the comb. Now that nectar which is deposited has a high percentage of moisture level. So by fanning by their wings, the bees will reduce the moisture below 20%. And once it is done, the bees automatically will seal the cell of the cone. Once the cone is about 90% sealed, it is an indication for us that the honey is ready for harvest. And what we will do is we will take the full frame out, uncap it with a knife, and we will put it in an extractor. By the centrifugal force, the honey will drop into the can in the utensil, and we can reuse the cone back in the hive. This is the scientific way done, either than squeezing, which was done earlier. Basically, removing honey from the hive is not a difficult job. Once you see the sealing of honey done on the cone, you basically have to dust off the bees from the cone. Once you have dusted it off, you take it a couple of meters away, and you will put it in the extractor by uncapping it and extracting the honey. It is not tough. You have to basically, once you have the sealed cone, which is about 90% sealed by the bees, you will basically remove it out, uncap the capping with a knife, the top portion, and you will put it in the extractor, and you will, with the centrifugal force of the extractor, all the honey will drop out of the cone and the frame. And you will replace the frame back in the hive so that the bees will restore honey in the same cells and same cone. Okay, basically the main important thing is when you extract honey, you have to ensure that no honey spills out of the frame. Basically you are inviting pests like ants and wasps and various things, because they get attracted by the smell of the honey. So you have to see that the place is washed away after the harvest, especially the flow. Now, turning to boxes, if any honey drops in the boxes is not much of a problem, because the bees will automatically consume it and restore it in the cell if required. And maybe if there are any particles of wax which has been dropped, that has to be removed from the box, because you save much of the time for the bees to clean the box. Basically, honey is stored in glass bottles, and normally you won't store it you will store it 80% of the volume of the glass bottle. You won't fill it right till the top because it needs certain amount of space required. Generally, if you have sealed honey, there is no need of any problem in your honey getting spoiled. But if it is unsealed honey, then you will have to pasteurize it by doing double boiling and reducing the moisture of the honey. Between harvest, we need to see that the items are sterilized before you use it in another colony. Basically, you can use any kind of solution of bleaching powder, or you can use of soda, and then rinse it fully with plain water before you use it to another item or to another colony. Yeah, basically after removing honey, normally what we do, we are going to only extract honey from the super chamber, not from the root chamber, where the eggs and certain store of the honey is there. So by ensuring this, we have to see that enough of honey is left for the other bees present in the colony. So if you don't do this, you will have problem of shortage of nectar for the colony, which will automatically, the bees will desert the colony because there is shortage of food. So you have to always ensure that there is enough of stores kept for the bees whenever you are extracting honey. Secondly, you have to also see that you don't damage or kill any bees when you are doing such harvest or such manipulation.